In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable time tracking for members in Hubstaff. Whether you're new to Hubstaff or simply looking to adjust your current settings, this guide will help you navigate through the process with ease. Now, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log into your Hubstaff account, and once you're on the main dashboard, locate the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a prominent option labeled People with a small arrow beside it. Click on this arrow to open up more options. This ensures you're on the right path to accessing your team management features. Next, from the expanded menu, select Members. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the members associated with your organization. It's an important step, as it allows you to gain access to specific settings for each team member. Once you've accessed the list, carefully scroll through to find the particular member for whom you'd like to disable time tracking. When you've identified the member, click on their name. This action opens up more detailed settings specific to that member, giving you control over their individual tracking capabilities. Now that you've selected the member, spot the Actions button in the upper part of the member's profile settings. Clicking on Actions will bring up a drop-down menu with several options that you can perform on the selected member's account. In this drop-down menu, you should see an option labeled Disable Tracking. Click on it. This is the final step, and executing it will effectively stop the Hubstaff application from tracking the member's time and activities from that point onward. A few things to keep in mind. Disabling time tracking does not remove the user from your organization, nor does it revoke their access to Hubstaff. It simply stops logging their work hours. This feature is particularly useful if a member no longer needs to track time for specific projects or responsibilities but still requires access to other features in Hubstaff. You can always re-enable time tracking by following similar steps if their role changes in the future. As you've seen, this process is quite straightforward, enabling you to maintain flexibility and control over how your team navigates and uses Hubstaff. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled time tracking for a member. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and guidance on maximizing your experience with Hubstaff. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy managing!